In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and installing this app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, open it. Then select OK in the pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, go into Tab menu. Now you need to click on this pen at the bottom right corner of it and find your new shortcut. Then hold it and drag it to your current ones. Let go and go back. Now just click on Caffeine shortcut, and as you can see, after that infinite sleep time is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!